We're back. And before we get back into like all the features of EnergySave, I have a question.
Yeah, sure.
We know that Ditamind is a Tunisian company. Does that mean that EnergySave like only works in Tunisia?
That's a great question. Actually, EnergySave has a really diverse client portfolio
Okay.
across multiple countries, and they've even implemented it for companies that have locations, all over the world.
Really?
Yeah, monitoring total power exceeding 100 megawatts.
Wow, that's a lot of energy.
It is. It's
Sounds like
fun.
they're having a global impact.
Yeah, they are
Oh, okay.
with this technology.
What about language barriers? Is
What?
everything in French?
Not at all. EnergySave actually supports multiple languages, including English.
Okay.
So it's accessible to international businesses.
Makes sense. Let's talk about something that's super important when dealing with all this data.
Yeah.
Security.
Right.
We're talking about sensitive information about energy usage, potentially even production processes.
For sure.
How secure is all of this?
Security is paramount. They've implemented this really robust system with multiple levels of user access and security.
Okay.
It's like a digital lock and key system. Each user gets this personalized code that grants them access only to the specific sections that they're authorized to see.
So not everybody can see everything.
Exactly. There are different levels of access.
Okay.
Some users might have view-only access, while others might be able to change values, configure settings, or even have like full administrative control.
Oh, wow.
And they have granular control down to like the workstation, the power plant, or even individual measurement points.
So it's very thorough.
Very thorough.
Okay. Let's say I'm convinced I want EnergySave for my company.
Great.
What's the process like?
Yeah.
Do I need to be like a tech whiz to install this and use it?
That's one of the great things about EnergySave. It's got this user-friendly interface
Okay.
and straightforward implementation.
Okay.
Ditamind handles everything,
Okay.
from installing the necessary hardware like electric meters,
Yeah.
current transformers, setting up the smart box that connects it all to the cloud.
Okay.
And they also have this really comprehensive training program.
Oh, so they don't just leave you hanging.
No, they don't. They guide you through the whole process.
That's really helpful.
Yeah.
It takes away a lot of the stress of like implementing new technology.
Oh, for sure.
So they hold your hand through the whole thing.
They do. They make sure that you and your team can fully utilize EnergySave.
Okay. So it's not just about like teaching you how to use the software.
No.
It's about empowering you to actually manage your energy.
Exactly. It's about giving you the tools and the knowledge to develop a strategic framework for managing your energy.
And remember that AI-powered decision support module that we
Yeah.
talked about earlier?
Yes.
Does the training cover how to use that too?
Absolutely. It's like having an AI energy advisor by your side,
Right.
helping you identify those energy-saving actions and even predicting potential maintenance needs.
Before they become problems?
Exactly.
That's incredible. It's like having a whole energy management team built into the software.
It really is.
This all sounds great in theory, but I'm curious about like real-world applications. What kinds of professionals would benefit most from EnergySave?
Well, anyone involved in managing energy, of course.
Right.
Energy managers, project leaders, engineers, network architects.
Mm-hmm.
But it goes beyond that.
Okay.
Maintenance managers and anyone with knowledge of energy management systems, professionals in building management, industrial processes.
So it's about efficiency and sustainability across the board.
Precisely. It's about understanding the interconnectedness of energy consumption, production processes, and the environmental impact of operations.
You mentioned the environment.
Mm-hmm.
How does EnergySave address those carbon emissions and sustainability efforts?
Well, remember that solar impulse efficient solution label.
I do.
That's a testament to their commitment to sustainability. EnergySave helps reduce your carbon footprint in a few ways.
Okay, how so?
First, by meticulously monitoring energy consumption, you can identify areas to reduce your energy use.
Right, less energy used equals less CO2 released.
Exactly.
But is it just about using less energy, or is there a smarter way to go about it?
They have a feature for calculating and comparing energy bills based on different tariff types.
Okay.
For example, some tariffs charge more during peak hours
Yeah.
and less during off-peak hours.
Right.
EnergySave can incentivize users to shift their energy consumption to those off-peak hours,
Oh, I see.
when energy is often generated from cleaner sources like wind and solar.
So it's about using energy smarter.
Exactly.
What about promoting a culture of sustainability within a company?
Mm-hmm.
Can EnergySave help with that?
Absolutely. Remember those awareness displays we talked about?
Yeah.
They can be a really powerful tool for engaging everyone,
Mm-hmm.
from the CEO to the maintenance staff, in being mindful of their energy consumption.
Okay.
It's about making sustainability a team effort.
Right.
But DataMind takes it a step further.
Oh.
They've integrated environmental awareness into their training program.
So it's not just about teaching people how to use the software.
No.
It's about actually educating them about the importance of sustainability.
Yeah. Exactly. They cover everything from the regulatory context of energy management to analyzing energy markets and contracts
Okay.
to the specific energy consumption patterns of different equipment.
It's pretty thorough.
It is.
Yeah.
They're really trying to create this new generation of energy-conscious professionals.
I like that. And they have that ambient probe built into the platform, right?
They do.
What exactly is that?
It's a sensor that measures various environmental parameters in your workplace.
Like what?
Things like temperature, humidity, air pressure,
Mm-hmm.
even particulate matter and noise levels.
So it's like a built-in environmental monitor for my workplace.
Exactly. And here's the cool part.
Okay.
This data is then analyzed in the context of international workplace well-being codes and any specific standards you might have set for your own company.
Okay.
So you can see if your factory is not only energy efficient,
Right.
but also a healthy and comfortable place for your employees to work.
This is great. So it's all about creating a sustainable and responsible work environment.
Yes.
Yeah.
And there's even more to explore we haven't even touched on.
Oh, I know.
EnergySave is a treasure trove of features.
It really is.
But hold that thought for just a moment.
Okay.
We need to take a quick break.
Sounds good.
But we'll be right back to wrap up our deep dive into this incredible platform.
All right. Stay tuned.